Hey everyone, BrickTales here, and there's wee laddie just literally buried in packages. Now these packages are all full of Lego. So this is 15 square feet of Lego packages from Lego.com, BrickLink, BrickOwl, and Etsy. Oh, and even a couple from eBay. We're gonna dump them all out, sort all the Lego, and give you this flyover with details as to what we were thinking, why we bought it, and what we're gonna do with it. So first we're going to talk about our Etsy experience. I was on YouTube and the YouTube algorithm feeds you ads related to stuff you're looking at, and clearly I was looking at a lot of Lego because I saw this ad for an Etsy listing for a pound of Lego from Bricks from Colorado. So I ordered one from them just to see how it would go, and what was cool was they allowed requests. So I requested a lot of slopes in dark bluish gray and light bluish gray, as well as some tiles and some printed pieces. So I liked that one so much that I ordered another one. I think I did another one that was double the size, and so I ended up with like a few bags of the same kind of stuff from this Etsy seller. Okay, so we emptied out just the 3 or 4 Etsy orders first, and here's the contents of those. Like I said, we wanted a lot of dark bluish gray slopes, so here's all the regular ones. And then over here we have more irregular ones. We got all these slopes because we're going to redo the cave element on this Bat Cave Island that we'll show you sometime in the future. Sorry if I just made you sick. Here's a handful of trans blue tiles for water. Lots of water going to be had. And then we have just some multicolored tiles. And then we got a bunch of print pieces, and the next time I ordered, I asked for more, and it's just fun and exciting to open up the package and see what random print pieces we're going to get. And then we got some printed slopes, a handful of cheese wedge pieces, a couple of plates, randos, and that wraps up the Etsy buys. Okay, we're going to pause about halfway through dumping out all the parts out of these bags. Just check in with you. This is what we got so far. But we still have all of these bags to go through. So here's an overview of all the sticker sheets from all these recent orders. Yeah, I'm a sucker for sticker sheets. Lego stickers are like the icing on the cake for any Lego creation. And sometimes I buy them with a specific intention, and sometimes I just buy them. I'd like to use these for a future Gotham police station, and this one's for a UFO. This chalkboard would look cool in a Bat Cave mechanic shop or lab. These are a good set for the beginnings of a small Lego city. And then all things Batman for the Bat Cave, Wayne Manor, Gotham City District, and all of that. Grave markers for Bruce Wayne's parents, stained glass for the manor, decorations for the manor, artwork. And then sometimes I just buy stickers for no reason. Also, can't get enough of those wood paneling stickers. I'm going to make a dock and a pier and some other stuff. Okay, now let's take a look at the rest of the parts and pieces. Several BrickLink, BrickOwl, and eBay orders later.
Wow. Look at that. So right here, we have all the printed pieces and stickers. Mostly tiles. There's like a few panels and things, so I want to make a grandfather clock and have a lot of artwork inside of a manor, and then inside of a bat cave have a lot of screens and things, and there's going to be a couple of docks in the city, so I need a lot of wood planks and all these cool printed wood ends. And then you got your various Batman prints that randomly were found. And man, I just have a real thing for sticker pieces. So, like I said, the Etsy order, I was surprised by random sticker pieces and stuff and prints. And I'll probably do it again. Gold record. And then here's a bunch of cheese wedge pieces in the dark bluish gray and dark gray. And then I'm gonna make a logo soon with all of these rounded plates, one by one. And then we have your tiles without prints, all the color. There's an absolute mountain of dark bluish gray slope pieces, or roof tiles if you want to call them. And then there's other colors of cheese wedges, and then there's one by one plates. Some random stuff. Here's some plates of different sizes. Here's some kind of like wedge pieces that don't really fit the mold of that pile. Some black. There's some jumper plates, some curved plates, some light bluish gray slopes, some kind of turny bits, I don't know. Some brown, some stairs, some dark red, a big assortment of windows and doors and panels, and then that masonry profile brick, some of those palisade bricks, some of those shooters, and then this pile of gold reminds me of Smog the Dragon or something, and his hoard. And we have some green brick and a lot of sloped pieces for another type of a mountain, and that's going to be the side of an island rockwork type of a thing. And then I got some random instruction books because they're cheap on BrickLink. I don't know why I bought them. And then there's a bunch of stickers. We got some yellow bricks, some sand green brick. We have the start of a UFO. And then here's a set 30365 that just kind of got attached to a BrickLink order. A couple of colors, red and this teal, in this panel with the corrugated metal look, because I want to make some shipping containers. Then you have the back of a giant donut sign. Goes with that. You have a bunch of containers, various sizes and shapes and color. And we have another set that we got. And there's the pieces for it. Here's a bunch of ladders and railings, some Batman wings, a little inflatable boat. Oh, and then you have your plant pieces, greenery and sticks and stuff, leaves, and then the flowers. Wow. Minifigs. Bunch of different minifigs. And then animals, fish, frogs, chipmunks, snakes, scorpions, dogs, owls, golden scorpions, and then food elements and food crockery or something. That might not be the right word. And then here's a bunch of tubes, strings, chains, a basketball hoop, a giant pot or something. And now we have accessories. So this is kind of like tools on this side, an alien, exhaust pipes, and then other accessories. And then we have, oh wow, look at that pile of clear and translucent colored pieces of all sorts of shapes. And then there's a little mini build of a candelabra. How about that? So that's the overview of the haul. Thank you so much for checking it out with me.
Subscribe so you know about the next one, and we'll see you there.